We've got 4 party hacks using paint chips.
We got banners, we got invites, we got place settings, we got goodie bags.
Yeah, this is super easy.
Super easy.
Bam! First step to any party, the invite.
We'll have to create the invite details. So you can just do this as a Word doc or on PowerPoint. I like to do it in 2 sheets, and I insert both pieces just because I want to get all the details in. Now when you're doing this, you have to make sure you keep space here so it can go across. This is your bar that slides in and holds everything. So now I've got my paint chip. I'm going to flip it over. I'm going to take my details that I've now cut to size, and they're going to be my template. I'm going to put them on the back of the paint chip. I'm going to take a pencil, and I'm just going to kind of mark where my sides end. Then I'm going to take a ruler. I'm going to place it where that bar across should be, and lucky me, I'm actually just doing the width of the ruler. So I can easily create my lines on either side. So now I can actually pull out the paper, I can line it back up again with my ruler, and I'm going to use an exacto knife. You DIY girls and guys will know all about cutting with an exacto knife. And press firmly. Go to the other side. Bring it down here. Flip it over and see now I've got my space in between to slide my details in. I'm going to take my invite, just slide them in. Now it's in there. Now if you want to go one step further and be even fancier with your paint chip, you could take the same color or another one and you could glue, and then you've got double-sided invite. How fancy is that? And then this fits in this small envelope. Add a stamp and address, you're ready to go.
DIY paint chip banners. First thing what you want to do is you want to cut out a template. We already have one done here, but I'll show you how I did it. It couldn't be easier. You just flip the paint chip over and you just simply use a ruler and a pencil and outline your desired shape. Start from that point here, go to this corner. See, nice triangle. Now this one's actually, I like just to use scissors because I think it's quicker. And there you have it. There's a perfect triangle that we can use for this. So you take your next paint chip, put it over. You can use this right here as your template. And you can outline it really simply. Now I'm not a perfectionist. I think that these don't have to be the exact size every single time. It's a party, it's fun, this is cute, you know, good enough. Now that we have our desired shape and size, just 2 holes we're going to punch on either side. Like so. Now we're going to string it. Now I suggest going in from front to back because then that way you don't have to worry about anything drooping or looking wacky. I mean, it's a paint chip banner. I mean, it's kind of wacky in itself, but you know what I mean. There you go. That simple. And then you just string as many as you'd like. Leave a little extra string at the end so you have room for hanging.
What? Paint chip table settings? Heck yeah!
So this is very similar to your party invite. Before we were horizontal, now we're going vertical. So simple. Flip it over. Use your ruler, your exacto knife again. You're just going to line up your exacto knife, so it's kind of in a straight line. I'm using these as my cues. Then you're going to use your exacto knife and cut across. Leave a little space on either side. I'm going to move it down. Yeah, it's got a little space. I'm going to again line up with like the letters, and that'll give me a straighter line so I don't have to use pencil marks. Here we go. Flip it over, and then there is my space to slide my napkin through. Now, if you want to use a name, this is where you write it in now, rather than when your napkin's in there. Sam, that's a good name. Now we're going to use our napkin. We're going to create that space, and we're just going to slide it through. So you want to pop up your insert. And there you go. Put it on your plate.
Gift bagging, gift bagging. This couldn't be easier or more affordable. I have a lunch bag here and some paint chips. Allison has this hole puncher thing that cuts out shapes, and so she cut some of these out for me because she's very helpful. And so we'll just do that. But we're just going to take the shapes that we cut out. I mean, you can do squares, flowers, circles, whatever you'd like. And we're just going to use some tacky glue and put it right in there. Tacky glue dries clear. And just put it on right there. There you go. This one. This is a little tip that I learned in culinary school, and I find it to be the same with crafting, is that odd numbers just look better when it comes to decorating. Okay, so we got 3 little flowers right here. It's so simple, but it really enhances the experience. And what's great is you could actually have your kids cut these shapes out and do this project if you're at a kids party. And you're not breaking any child labor laws, which is awesome. So super simple, fun DIY gift bags.
Super easy. There were 4 awesome paint chip party hacks.
Please like the video, share the video, comment on the video, tell us what else you'd like us to make and do and try. Join us for more fun adventures.
Yeah, hey, and if you like this video, be sure to check out our place card video.
That's so awesome.
Such an awesome DIY, and we showed all different versions. And again, super easy.
Super easy.
See you later.
Bye.